Welcome. Safety is our absolute first priority. Only together can we prevent unsafe situations. That's everyone's responsibility. Know your responsibilities and you'll always stay one step ahead of danger. Awareness of health and safety, the environment and well-being is not a 9-to-5 job. It has to be second nature. As well as the information that has already been harmonized, location and company-specific information also applies. Ask for it. Today, we would like to draw your attention to H2S, hydrogen sulfide. What is H2S? H2S, hydrogen sulfide, may occur in drilling at a drilling rig, at production and processing facilities during the extraction of oil and natural gas. When H2S is released, it carries a serious risk for health and the environment. Breathing in vapour of H2S can, at its worst, cause death. H2S is a colourless gas, smells of rotten eggs when in low concentrations, weighs heavier than air, when mingled with water forms an acid that affects certain metals, is flammable, can be explosive when combined with air, is toxic. There is a chance of H2S being released in the case of spills and leakages, maintenance work, taking samples, inspections and control. That's why only people who followed the NOGIPA 0.8 course or the DeltaLinks H2S course are entitled to work on an H2S location. That's why visitors may only visit an H2S location with permission from the OIM and having seen the video. You may recognise an H2S location by the pictogram on the warning sign at the main gate, a white and green coloured windbag on the site. Before you start working, you need permission from the OIM site manager to enter the location. You have chosen the best escape route according to the map and direction of the wind. You wear an H2S detector, of which the test program finished in a positive result close to your face, and an escape mask of which you've checked the expiry date. If you have a beard, you use an escape mask designed for men with beards. And always wear your broadcasting equipment at a minimum distance of 30 centimeters from your H2S detector. Test the capacity of the battery of the H2S detector every day. Press the test button for a moment. Capacity is guaranteed when the test program finished in a positive result. Then test the functionality of the H2S detector. Place the sensor of the detector on the generator. Keep pressing the black button. Functionality is guaranteed if the alarm goes off within 10 seconds. Remember, these tests are only valid for one 8-hour workday. After 8 hours, both tests need to be run again. Attention! If either of the two tests fail, the detector may not be used. Then check your escape mask. The expiry date may not be exceeded. The package must be sealed. The package must be intact. Shake the package and listen carefully. When you hear a sound like little stones tumbling over each other, the filter cannot be used anymore. Attention! Old, used or damaged escape masks must be swapped for a new one. Also, newly obtained masks must be checked. Always carry your escape mask with you. On reaching your place of work, test your H2S detector. Carry it close to your face. Attention! The H2S detector is designed as a warning tool and is not to be used to carry out measurements. Broadcasting equipment can disturb the functionality of the detector. Always keep them at a distance of at least 30 centimeters from each other. In case of an alarm given by the H2S detector, stop working and leave your vehicle or workplace at once. Put your escape mask on. Leave the site at right angles to the wind direction and within 5 minutes. Go to an upwind location assembly point. Offshore, you go to the designated assembly place. Report to the person responsible for the location. Follow instructions given to you. How to use an escape mask. Hold your breath for a little while. Never inhale too deeply, for H2S is toxic. Open the package and take the mask out. Place it over your nose and mouth. Place the band over your head, above your ears, and tighten it on the back of your head. Exhale vigorously. If you still feel exhaled breath going along your face, you should press the mask tighter. Then breathe as calmly as possible with the mask. The escape mask gives you approximately 5 minutes to leave the contaminated area. Attention! If you wear a beard, use the mask designed for people with beards. Report every incident at once to the person responsible on that location. Note: a signal for evacuation doesn't necessarily mean it's an H2S alarm. Don't take actions of rescue if you don't have an independent breathing device or when you're alone. When you've been in contact with H2S vapor offshore, immediately go to the medic, and onshore call for a doctor or an ambulance. Fill out the information letter which is attached to the H2S brochure. As you might well know, stop working when something is unclear, dangerous or different from the PTW. Never improvise. Report shortcomings, damage, etc. immediately when you find these on the installation or part of the installation. If you have any questions or require more information, you can always approach the site manager or supervisor. And remember, work safely or don't work at all.